Hello and welcome. I want to talk to you today about something incredibly powerful, something that can change the course of your life, if you let it. Now is the perfect time to plant the seeds for your success. The present moment, where you stand right now, is all you need to shape your future. Too often, we find ourselves waiting for the right time or the perfect circumstances, but what if I told you that the best time is always now? You see, your life is a result of what you have believed and felt up until this very moment. Your thoughts, your feelings, the beliefs you carry about yourself and the world, they are creating your reality right now. Whether you realize it or not, you're planting seeds with every thought you have. These seeds, your beliefs, are either growing into opportunities and success, or they are stagnating into obstacles and limitations. The good news is that you have the power to change that today. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday or even an hour ago. What matters is the choice you make now. What seeds are you planting with your thoughts right now? Are they seeds of fear, doubt, and limitation, or are they seeds of hope, growth, and potential? The thoughts you choose to entertain today will blossom into the life you experience tomorrow. If you've been waiting for the right moment to begin, let me tell you something. The right moment is now. There's no need to wait for everything to fall into place because it never will if you're waiting for perfection. Success doesn't come from waiting for circumstances to align, it comes from taking inspired action, guided by your belief that you are capable of achieving your desires. Every thought you entertain has the potential to become reality. When you hold a vision of success in your mind, you're planting that vision in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. The more you focus on that vision, the more you begin to believe in it, and the more you will begin to see the signs that it's manifesting. You don't need to see the full picture right now, just begin with the belief that it's possible. What you believe is what you create. If you believe that now is the best time to start, then your actions will reflect that belief. The key is to act in faith, trusting that what you are planting will grow in due time. Your mind is the soil, your thoughts are the seeds, and the actions you take are the water and sunlight that nourish those seeds. The power is always in your hands. When you begin to think of yourself as someone who is deserving of success, you start planting seeds of confidence, trust, and abundance. But it requires conscious effort. You must guard your thoughts. Every negative or limiting thought that enters your mind must be replaced with a thought that aligns with your goals. This isn't about denying the challenges you face, but about choosing to focus on the solutions, on the possibilities, and on the belief that you are capable of overcoming anything. Your success is already inside you. It's not something that you have to search for or wait for, it's something that you have to allow to emerge. The success you seek is planted within you in the form of your desires, dreams, and passions. And just like planting a seed in the earth, it takes time for your vision to manifest fully. But this doesn't mean the seed isn't growing. The roots are being established, even when you can't see the progress on the surface. Your belief is what nurtures those roots, allowing them to grow strong and deep, eventually bringing your vision to fruition. Now is the best time to plant those seeds, to believe in your potential, and to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect circumstances. Start with what you have, where you are. Take the first step, no matter how small, and trust that it's enough. Every step you take in faith, every positive thought you hold, every belief you choose to accept, it is all contributing to the growth of your success. And, the seeds you plant today won't always grow in the way you expect them to. Sometimes, your success will come in unexpected forms. The journey to success is not always linear, and the path may twist and turn. But as long as you remain committed to your vision, stay focused on your desires, and keep nurturing the seeds you've planted, you will see the harvest. Success is not just about achieving goals or reaching milestones, it's about the person you become in the process. The growth that happens within you, as you trust yourself and the process, is just as important as the outward manifestations of your success. So as you plant these seeds today, know that you are also planting the seeds of growth within yourself. The moment you decide to plant the seeds for your success, you are activating the law of attraction. You are sending out a signal to the universe that you are ready, that you are open, and that you are deserving of the success you desire. You are putting out the energy of possibility and potential, and the universe will respond in kind. You have the ability to shape your future with the thoughts you choose today. So, make a conscious decision to plant seeds of success, of abundance, of love, and of peace. Your thoughts are powerful, and they are always creating. You can choose thoughts that align with your dreams, or you can continue to let your thoughts dictate a reality you don't want. The choice is always yours. Now is the time to act. If you want success, begin with your thoughts, and align them with your vision. Focus on what you desire, believe in its possibility, and take action. Trust that the seeds you plant today will yield fruit tomorrow. Stay patient, stay persistent, and keep nurturing those thoughts. Take a moment right now to close your eyes and picture the life you want to create. What does success look like for you? How does it feel? Plant that vision in your mind and water it with positive belief. Every time doubt tries to creep in, replace it with faith in the process. Trust that what you are planting is growing, even when you don't see it yet. Success comes to those who believe in it. It's that simple. So, start believing in your success today, and you will begin to see the world shift to match your beliefs. Your reality is a reflection of your thoughts, and the seeds you plant today are the foundation for the life you want to create. When you understand that the present moment is where all creation begins, you realize that everything you need is already within you. The circumstances of your life are not what determine your success. It is your mindset and the beliefs you hold that create the world around you. It doesn't matter how many setbacks you've faced or how many times you've felt stuck, what matters is your ability to shift your focus. Right now, in this moment, you have the power to plant seeds for a different, more successful reality. You can begin today, right now, to cultivate the life you've always wanted. Take a moment to think about the kind of success you want. It could be in your career, relationships, finances, or even your personal growth. Whatever it is, know that your success starts with how you see yourself in relation to what you desire. Success isn't something external, it's an internal shift that eventually reflects in your outer world. When you start believing that you are worthy of success, your actions will align with that belief. Every step you take from that point forward will be one that brings you closer to your goals. This is why the present moment is so crucial. It's easy to get caught up in past failures or to stress over an uncertain future. But the truth is, neither the past nor the future has any power over you unless you allow them to. When you focus your energy on the now, you are tapping into the most potent force in the universe. Everything you need is available to you right now, at this moment. Your thoughts, beliefs, and actions are the tools you use to shape your reality. And the best part is, you control them. As you go about your day, note that now is always the best time to start. The best time to plant your seeds for success is not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Believe in yourself, take the first step, and watch the magic unfold. The universe is always responding to your thoughts. The seeds you plant today will grow into the success you deserve. Keep believing, keep acting, and keep planting. The power of now is your most powerful tool. You don't need anything else but your belief, your thoughts, and your willingness to take action. Start now, and the results will follow.